Guys, do not trust a dealership to have your back and not charge you a ridiculous amount of money for shit you don't even need. So here's the thing. I own a Sierra 1500 2015, and I had a problem with the fan. The fan kept kicking on for no reason. I work like 80 hours a week, and sometimes I just don't have the time to fix stuff like that myself. So unfortunately, I had to take it to the dealership, and what did they do? They charged me $1,500 for stuff I didn't even need. They gave me a new throttle body, a new air box, new spark plug wires, and the only thing that I needed was a coolant sensor. Looking back on it now, I should have just took some time off and went and got me one of these. This is the Black scanner. Hooked this bad boy up into the R2-D2 port, and it would have told me what the problem was. Lord have mercy. So you hook this bad boy up, like I said, to your R2-D2 port. It runs its diagnostics, and then it either shows up a green light, yellow light, or a red light. Obviously, green is good. Yellow is issues you need to look into. Red is issues that you need to get your butt in gear and fix now. BlockTech 440. Check it out. They got a flash sale going on right now, but you can get it for cheaper if you've got the right coupons. I went ahead and put a link down below just in case you want to check it out and see what kind of discounts you can get.